Actually, Jewel Trends is a fabulous company, बहुत ही अच्छी कंपनी है, and I was really honored कि मुझे एक ग्रैंड फिनाले शो स्टॉपर की तरह आज बुलाया गया, जो मेन अट्रैक्शन था शो का, and I'm very humbled, I'm very honored, and बहुत मज़ा आया इन लोग के साथ काम करने में. As you can see, I've got this beautiful pearl set on. It's just really stunning, and we are trying to do something different. ऐसे गाउन के साथ सब समझते हैं डायमंड ज्वेलरी पहनना चाहिए, but that is so conventional and boring and stereotypical, so we decided to do something different and offset an electric blue gown with beautiful white pearls.
किस तरह का प्रिपरेशन करना पड़ा आपको?
Well, actually, I do a lot of showstoppers in India and abroad. तो मुझे thankfully by the grace of God काफ़ी experience है, तो मुझे preparation उतना नहीं करना पड़ा. But of course, I was up in the morning at 7 and I was at the venue getting my makeup and hair done. तो वो एक आप discipline maintain रखते हैं अपनी ज़िंदगी में, और वो आप अपने passion और मेहनत अपने काम को देते हैं, तो उसके results हमेशा अच्छे ही आते हैं. And I hope you guys like the show.
सर, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि आपने पूजा को क्यों चूज़ किया?
पूजा को इसलिए चूज़ किया कि पूजा अभी मार्केट में काफ़ी अच्छा, इसमें बिग बॉस भी इन्होंने किया था. इन्होंने अभी एक साउथ के लिए 18 kg गोल्ड पहन के भी शोरूम किया था. तो सॉरी 20 kg गोल्ड का ज्वेलरी पहन के शोरूम किया था. तो इनका प्रपोजल हमारे पास आया था, तो हमने कहा ठीक है, हम पूजा को लेते हैं, देन प्रमोट करते हैं.
ओके, बोलिए.
आप क्या कहना चाहिए?
नहीं, मैं ऐसा कहना चाहूँगा कि कोई इतने आपने ज्वेलरी देखी होंगी काफ़ी. ये 5वां इंटरनेशनल ज्वेलरी शो है, 5वां ज्वेलरी इंटर शो है, लेकिन इसके अंदर में हम लोग ने खास इस टाइप की जो चीज़ बनाई है कि जो आम आदमी जो पहन सकता है और पैसे वाले दोनों के लिए हम लोग ने खास एक टाइप का अलग टाइप का पेंडल जो बड़ा दिखता है और प्राइस में बहुत कम है, उस टाइप का खास एक फैशन शो रखा था हम लोग ने. इसके लिए हम लोग ने पूजा जी को पसंद किया हुआ है. और वो जो पेंडल है जो आज के दिवाली के टाइम पे अंदर जो यंग लड़की और थोड़े से यंग के बाद की लड़की भी पहन सकते हैं, उस टाइप का ज़्यादा उसके अंदर हम लोग ने ध्यान दिया है उसके अंदर.
Thank you so much. Oh, it's like an Indian ensemble. I'm wearing like a jacket and a lehenga, and it's been designed by Suja, and she's very good. I think she's very good in Indian stuff, and I'm wearing this, and I'm having this whole jewelry collection from Nidhi and Karan, and I think they have been superb in designing this kind of a wonderful diamond and all this, like danglers and necklaces and all my finger ring and what is this, bracelet. So you can all see what I'm wearing. I think this is the collection, but I think you should tell about the collection.
Sanskriti is all about Indian Sanskriti. The basic inspiration of a jewelry is the rich Indian culture. Not only Indian culture, but cultures across the globe. And the 3 collections that we have showcased today, that is Jharokas, Devta and Rizafiro, are a perfect amalgamation of all the cultures across the globe.
Correct. And I think Sanskriti is promoting that whole thing of concept of Indian jewelry and fusion jewelry together, how it can grow up to a different kind of a taste. Because I think the ones who are wearing jewelries, they want different kind of stuff every time. So I think they are coming up with very innovative ideas. And this collection's name is
Rizafiro.
Rizafiro is one of the very interesting collection. I think Nidhi and Karan have actually put a lot of mind in it, and Sanskriti is there to promote all these, this as a platform for all these wonderful designers, and I'm very glad that I'm a part of it. And
निधि जी, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि आपने ऋतु को क्यों?
Since she has a beautiful Indian face and it goes well with our collection, and she's portraying it perfectly. She's adding all the glamour and sheen to our pieces. So I think she's a perfect person for our jewelry.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
सतेंद्र 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 एक मिनट आईडी आईडी दे दो रुक जा विजुअल ले क्या कर रहे हो गया वन हो गया मैम क्या रोल मैम
Hi, I'm Rituparna Senguth and you're watching Jadoo TV. Just enjoy.
hey कर रहा हूँ you and ma'am just excuse ma'am reason to select Rituparna Senguth for the face of
So we were looking for a traditional sort of modern bride, and we found her look very ethnic yet very modern. She's very fair. She carries smoky eyes very well, and with the jewelry and the jacket, she was just the perfect match. So we really liked her look, and for that reason, we selected her.
events like this. How does the designer get exposure in the career?
I don't really think it's about exposure. It's about a partnership. It's about what jewelry looks good with your clothes. Clothes alone nobody wears to an Indian function. You'll always wear some jewelry with it. So it's about the perfect fusion, and Sanskriti and us just matched because it was the jewelry was looking perfect with our outfits. And like I said, we were going for a modern bride look. So when we put the jewelry together with the trendy outfits, it looked like a modern bride and what a modern bride would wear.
And what kind of future does jewelry designing industry has in India? What kind of future?
Do jewelry designers have? A fantastic future. I mean, there's no Indian function without a jeweler and a jewelry piece being included, and definitely the clothes have to complement the jewelry. That's the most fundamental criteria of weddings, and so obviously people need to make sure that the jewelry is going with the outfit. So there's collaborations between jewelers and designers is ancient and will always continue.